In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web page in Adobe Express. We'll start from the home page, find the right template, and then customize colors, text, and images so your page looks polished and on brand. Begin by opening Adobe Express in your web browser and signing in if you're prompted. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand side for the Templates panel. This is where Adobe Express keeps ready-made designs that make building a page fast and consistent. Click Templates to open the library. At the top of the Templates view, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field so you can find exactly what you need without scrolling through everything. Type the word Webpage and press Enter. This filters the results to templates designed specifically for web pages, so you're starting with the right layout and features. Browse the results and pick a sample web page that closely matches your goal, whether that's a portfolio, an event page, or a simple landing page. Choosing a template near your style will save you time during editing. When you found one you like, click it to open the preview, then select Customize to bring it into your workspace. This loads the template as an editable project, so you can tailor it to your content. Let's start by adjusting the color scheme. Look for the color or theme options on the right side of the editor. You can choose from preset palettes or apply your brand colors if you have them. Try a few combinations and pay attention to contrast so text remains readable on backgrounds. If you're unsure, stick with high contrast pairings and keep accent colors for buttons or headings. Remember, consistency makes your page look professional. Now refine the text and imagery. Click directly on any text block to edit the wording, adjust the font, size, and alignment, and match the tone of your message. Keep headlines short and clear, and use supporting text for details. To add or replace images, select the image area and choose a new photo from your device or the built-in stock library. Crop or reposition as needed so the focal point is centered and visually balanced. If there's an option to add alt text, include a brief description to support accessibility. As you work, use undo if you change your mind, and zoom in to check spacing and readability. When your colors, text, and images feel cohesive, you've completed the essential setup. That's how to create a web page in Adobe Express, starting from a template, customizing the look, and tailoring the content to your needs.